Hello po, ako po si AJ Valencia, ang operator po ng DTF machine po dito sa RP Tuigaraw. Ito po yung DTF machine po namin na nagamit ng 7 araw na may total meters na 30. Ito lang po yung printer head. Ang huling palit po nito is noong September last year. Ito lang po yung capping na may 90% good condition. Head clean. Punasan ang wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ito naman yung ink tank area. Ang ink system level is tama lang. Waste tank na lang is kahapon. AVR. And ground wire. Ito naman yung stock namin ng use, unused, DTF powder, and DTF film. Ito naman po aming consumable withdrawal. Daily output record. And weekly physical inventory. And daily maintenance.